layouts. The feature set that is available with the layout controls varies from basically designing a screen area or a page by using a divider to providing complex layouts such as matrix layout. Here we will see few examples, that is matrix layout and horizontal layout. Matrix layout belongs to class sap.ui.commons.layout.matrix layout, and for creating a new layout or the matrix layout, the constructor is new space sap.ui.commons.layout.matrix layout, and the important properties are width, height, layout fixed, columns and widths. In addition, all settings applicable to the base type sap.ui.core.control can be used as well. Let's see an example. We'll start with the HTML definition and HTML tags, head section, title of this page, that is matrix layout, the first meta tag for the char set and the second meta tag for making this page compatible with the Internet Explorer browser. Style tags we have mentioned here. We'll see later how we are going to use it. And the SAP UI5 libraries definition. So Bootstrap ID and the libraries which we are going to use, that is sap.ui.commons, and the theme, that is Blue Crystal. And the second script block where we will write the actual application, that is application section, to determine the UI elements. Before that, let's complete the body section. So SAP UI body class is mentioned with a user interface area given ID as content. Now for the same div, here in the style we are giving a border and also a box shadow and determining the UI elements. We create a new button, that is the first button, second button, and the constructor for new matrix layout. And in the matrix layout we are creating a row with button 1 and button 2, and we are placing this matrix layout in the content, that is user interface area. Let's see only the application section of the previous example. So the buttons, the first button with the text first button we have created, and second button we have created a new matrix layout and created a row where we are setting button 1 and button 2 besides, and we have placed it in the user interface area. Check result in the browser. You can see the style which we mentioned about the border, which is red in color, and also the both buttons, that is first button and second button, besides each other within the matrix layout. Horizontal layout belongs to class sap.ui.commons.layout.horizontal layout, and creating a new horizontal layout, the constructor is new space sap.ui.commons.layout.horizontal layout. Important properties does not exist. And here example again, first HTML definition, then HTML tags, head section, the title horizontal layout, the first meta tag, second meta tag, style, so we'll see later, and definition of SAP UI5, that is Bootstrap ID, library sap.ui.commons, theme Blue Crystal, and the body section. And for the div, again we are giving border, this time light blue in color, and we are creating a simple horizontal layout. So for this, first we create a label with text name, and we are creating text field, value is Guru, and we have created a new button, submit, and we have created a new horizontal layout. With all the 3 UI elements, that is O label, O text and O button, and we have placed this layout in the UI area. Now let's see the application section only. So first we have created the label, then the text field with value Guru, and a new button called submit, and created a new horizontal layout and placed all the 3 elements, that is label, text and button, and we have placed it to the user interface. So check result in the browser. Here you can see the horizontal layout with the light blue border. So that's about layouts. In the next video we'll see the MVC in SAP UI5. Thank you.